The CRKT Minimalist neck knife has quickly gained popularity as a great everyday utility or backpack blade. It features a 2.125-inch 5CR15 MOV blade that's great for simple tasks and easy resharpening. It has an overall length of 5.125 inches, and a unique micarta handle design provides comfort and control to its small blade, while remaining easy to clean and maintain. The Minimalist is available with different blade and handle styles, and can be purchased in a few different colorways. The CRKT Minimalist is covered by a limited lifetime warranty against any defects in materials or workmanship. Is the CRKT Minimalist on your list of knives to add to your collection? Let us know in the comments, and add this knife to your EDC rotation by clicking the link in the description. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.